Hi everyone, today we are in Hershey, Pennsylvania in Hersheypark, and we are right now taking a break from Hersheypark and headed into ZooAmerica, which is included in your Hersheypark ticket, which is awesome. So you actually access ZooAmerica right in the center of Hersheypark. So when you access ZooAmerica right at Hersheypark, you just get your hand stamped, and that will allow you to return to Hersheypark when you're done exploring the zoo. And this is really cool. You cross this bridge, which crosses right over the road, and they have these really cute signs: slither on in, stay positive, have a turtly awesome day. Super cute. And it's decorated for Halloween because Halloween is right around the corner. And at ZooAmerica, they have special ticketed events throughout the year. So I know they have a Halloween special thing called Creatures of the Night, and you get to come to the zoo at night with flashlights and look at all the nocturnal animals. But you can check online for all the special events. You can also visit the zoo just separate from Hersheypark. So if you only want to come to the zoo, they have a special parking area, and you can come. They have different hours from Hersheypark sometimes, so you can just come here without visiting Hersheypark. And here is a nice ZooAmerica map, and they have it broken down into regions. That looks like there's 5 different regions. So we'll check them out, and we'll follow the recommended path. And these are all North American animals here. And now we're headed into the southern swamps area. And we'll head on into the southern swamps building. And here's a spoonbill, 2 spoonbills up in their nest. And they're all the way up there. Now they're down. And I like how they, I guess they're searching for fish or whatever they eat. They're pink. I don't know if they eat little shrimp. But I like how they kind of scan back and forth. And their beaks are shaped like a spoon. But I think they're really neat. And then right next door to them is an alligator snapping turtle. And here is an American alligator. He's a little guy. He's cute. And they also have some snakes. There was a rattlesnake and a cottonmouth, but they were kind of hiding, so we couldn't really see them. So we'll head on to our next section. And this is the marten enclosure, but he's not out yet. I don't know if he's getting fed, but we'll check later and see if he's there. And this is so pretty. They have these little boardwalks, so really, in the woods, and it's just really tranquil. It's kind of a nice break from Hersheypark, just to get away from the crowds and just to get into nature a little bit. And they have these cute little bear cutouts peeking out from behind the trees. That's really cute. And I know they have bear here, so I'm excited to see that. And it's just really pretty here. And here's some parrots coming up on the right outside here, and they're making these cute little sounds. And now we're headed to the Great Southwest section. This will be cool. All right, let's head inside. Oh, this is neat. There's Wile E. Coyote, and right sitting in front of Wile E. Coyote is a roadrunner. That's awesome. I love the 2 of them together. And in this same enclosure, here's a couple desert tortoises. I love turtles. They're one of my favorite animals, and ducks. And up top, I don't know if you can see that, it's pretty high up, that's an owl. And it's actually a burrowing owl. They live in old prairie dog holes. And they're active during the day. It's pretty cool. And this is a chuckwalla. And here are two of them. Hey, chuckwalla. They're just kind of hanging out, basking in the sun. And here's another one. He's bigger. Here he is again. This is just from the outside, just hanging out in the sun. Hi. There were more animals in this section, but a lot of them were either hiding or it was too dark to film. So we'll just keep continuing on our suggested route path. And it seems like if you follow the suggested route, it's going to take, you're not going to miss anything. And uh-oh, looks like a kid lost his binky. Hopefully somebody's not wanting that too much. My kids, a couple of my daughters were like addicted to the pacifier. It was so hard to when they didn't have one. But anyway, this is really cute. It's you know, right around Halloween, and they have all these neat carved pumpkins sitting in this part of the yard. It's really cute here. And I am not sure what's over here. Take a peek. Oh, it's a hawk. Oh yeah, he's pretty. We get a lot of these where we live, and I love watching them. And here's a barn owl. I love their face, like their heart-shaped white face, and they always just look really mysterious. I have only seen a couple of these in my life, and they're so cool, but to see them pretty close, that's really neat. And I forgot to mention, we're in the eastern woodlands section now, and right up here is a bobcat taking a snooze up there, and there he is just chilling out. I've never seen a bobcat. If you've seen one, let me know in the comments. I think they're so pretty. And here are some cute river otters. And there's two otters here. One's name is Link and Iris. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, this one has an itch. Looks like he's scratching himself on this rock, or her. I'm not sure if this is Link or Iris. And oh my gosh, these are adorable. So we're looking at him or her right up at the glass. Oh, they're so cute. And somebody has the sneezies. Bless you. And now we're headed to the next section, Big Sky Country. And right up here on the sign it says bear encounter, and there's a lot of people here where the water is, so maybe a bear's in the water, hopefully. Okay, so these are all buzzards, and they're in the same enclosure as the bear, but the bear is over on the other side. But this is cool, seeing these buzzards up close like this in the water. That's really neat. And here's a sign. How do you measure up? Bears are humongous. That's crazy. And here is Sleeping Beauty. And there's the buzzards that just poked the bear. Oh my gosh. He doesn't look too happy about that. Bears are cute, but I don't know if that's a buzzard or a turkey vulture. I don't really know what the difference is. Are they the same or are they different? I'm not really sure. But that turkey vulture or buzzard looks like it's ready to get that bear again. Just kind of waiting to see if it gets poked again. And now there's a few of them right around that bear. It just looks like they're waiting to get him or something. They're just kind of watching him. And now the bear just decided to roll over. He is totally chilled out. He does not even care that all those birds are around him. And this is so pretty. This is right past the bear enclosure. There's this really pretty bridge and this stream and a bunch of geese in it. It's really pretty, really, really pretty zoo. It's such like a contrast from, you know, being in Hershey Park, and then you cross the street and then you're like in this really peaceful zoo. It's really nice. And then here is a sign. This is apparently, this bridge is a Bigfoot crossing, so we'll have to keep our eye out for Bigfoot. And here is the prairie dog area, and no prairie dogs are out right now, which I'm so bummed about because I really wanted to see the prairie dogs. They're so cute. This is recycled treasures that I guess some people have made for the zoo. That's really awesome. See, you don't have to buy anything. You can just make stuff. And this squirrel, we're at this side, and then there's another lady at that side, and I think this squirrel doesn't know which way to go. Sorry, squirrel. And here is an American elk. He's up there on the hill, sitting in the shade. Huge antlers. And we just found somebody in this truck. So, hey, Bigfoot. We've spotted Bigfoot, and maybe he's too tired to walk across the bridge, so he jumped in the truck because he's going to drive. And here's the next animal in Big Sky Country. It's a mountain lion, and he's up here. It's kind of hard to see him, but he's there all right.
Squirrels.
And here's some binoculars if you want to take a closer look at some of the things out there. Although in this enclosure are pronghorns, and they removed them. They're not here right now for whatever reason. So this area is just a little quiet. And there goes the Hersheypark monorail. And I'll link the monorail video we have, or there's a couple rides we have. I can link them in this video in case you want to check out some of the rides. But the monorail, when you ride the monorail, it goes right through the zoo. So you can see the zoo from overhead, which is kind of neat. And these are like grave markers for animals that are endangered. Baja California pronghorn, Florida panther, ocelot, who could be next? And then over here, this is sad, it has the grave markers, I guess, from, you know, animals that are extinct or maybe have, you know, their last time they were seen. Florida black wolf. Oh, that's too bad. So, got to protect our wildlife for sure. And the next section, we're coming through eastern woodlands. And here again, there's a really pretty bridge, and it crosses the stream here. And, you know, you can hear like the roller coasters and people screaming and stuff. It's kind of funny. But it's just really pretty here. It's a small zoo, but it's really pretty. And it's a nice, you know, getaway. Straight ahead to the right, that building there is the gift shop. And over here to the left are some white-tailed deer. And, you know, we see a lot of these in Pennsylvania. That is for sure. Wild turkeys. Eat more chicken. That's what they're probably saying to everybody that passes, being Thanksgiving is right around the corner. But I like turkeys. We see these a lot at home. And here's the wingspan of an eagle. You don't realize how big they are until their wings are all spread out. And here's two bald eagles right here. And right in the distance there is the Hershey, it's not a smokestack, but it's like the stack from the factory. And here's a little squirrel. We've been seeing the squirrels a lot. They're definitely getting busy for winter. I don't know. He looks like he's digging. Maybe he's trying to find his nut stash or something like that. But they're definitely getting ready for winter. And there goes the Hersheypark monorail again. Well, that was a really relaxing trip to ZooAmerica at Hersheypark. It's a small zoo, but super relaxing atmosphere. And if you're in Hersheypark and you need a break, walk on over to this zoo. It's really great. And there's just a view of the monorail and then the park and the river. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.